Welcome to the video about the UKMLA, UK Medical Licensing Assessment. The UKMLA is a new exam designed to ensure that all UK medical school graduates and international medical graduates have the necessary skills, knowledge, and behaviors to practice safely as doctors in the UK. The PLAB exams are being replaced by the UKMLA for IMG doctors and UK medical students graduating in the academic year 2024-2025. The UKMLA is a medical licensing assessment that consists of two parts: the AKT, Applied Knowledge Test, and the CPSA, Clinical Professional and Skills Assessment. The AKT is an on-screen exam that tests clinical knowledge and the ability to apply it in different medical scenarios. The CPSA is a clinical and professional skills assessment that tests a doctor's ability to provide clinical care based on values detailed in the GMC Good Medical Practice, Outcomes for Graduates, and Generic Professional Capabilities Network documents. The UKMLA is being introduced for all UK medical school graduates to ensure they have the right skills, core knowledge, and behaviors to practice safely as doctors in the UK. The UKMLA is also being introduced for international medical graduates to ensure they have the necessary skills, knowledge, and behaviors to practice safely as doctors in the UK. The GMC, General Medical Council, is rolling out the UKMLA as part of its drive to treat all candidates fairly, regardless of where they obtained their medical degrees from. The UKMLA is a licensing assessment that doctors need to pass in order to practice medicine in the UK. The UKMLA is designed to ensure that doctors with medical degrees from any part of the world have the necessary skills, knowledge, and behaviors to practice safely in the UK. The AKT, Applied Knowledge Test, is part of the UKMLA and is an on-screen exam that tests clinical knowledge and the ability to apply it in different medical scenarios. The CPSA, Clinical Professional and Skills Assessment, is part of the UKMLA and is a clinical and professional skills assessment that tests a doctor's ability to provide clinical care and perform practical skills and procedures. Until 2024, international medical graduates will still need to apply for the PLAB exams if they wish to get a license and register to practice in the UK. The exact costs of the UKMLA are yet to be confirmed by the GMC, but it is expected to be similar to the PLAB exams. IMG doctors will be able to resit the UKMLA if necessary, but the maximum number of attempts is yet to be announced. It is important to prepare for the UKMLA by focusing on the areas of clinical practice, clinical and professional capabilities, and areas of professional knowledge. Thank you for watching this video about the UKMLA. Make sure to prepare well and stay updated with the latest